What is it?
I got a hamster!
Whoa, is that a Zuzu pet?
Yes, a Zuzu pet. The new Zuzu pet. Oh my gosh. Now we can use this.
Awesome.
I hope it works. No?
No, that's from Casey and Melissa. Open up some other ones.
Okay.
That one's also from Casey and Melissa.
Yeah. I got another hamster.
Awesome.
Another Zuzu pet.
Cool. Whoa.
And
Hand them over here. I'll open them.
This is the same one as the other one.
Oh, cool. All right, keep opening them.
Yay! Sand's on here.
Oh, wow.
Cool. Sand's very nice.
Oh, what is it?
Oh, it's the same thing as that. No, it's different.
It's a cool game. It's called Cootie.
Cootie. Hey! Cootie. You know what? This is my favorite game. Of all evens.
Whoa, cool. Go open some more.
This might be something special here. Let's get this.
Whoa, cool. More Hello Kitty activity book. And puzzles. Oh, my.
Yay. Go open this one first. This one.
Wonder what's in it.
Let me see. Wait a minute. What is this?
Cool! It's a Toy Story game.
Yeah, it's like the other one. Yeah.
Oh, this one's different.
Yeah, but this is like the same one.
I don't think so. I think it's different.
Yeah, but really, real. This is a real.
It's a Toy Story game. That's so cool.
Yeah. That's very weird. It kind of does what with the other one, Operation.
It is Operation.
Yeah.
It's just Toy Story.
Which is, oh my gosh. Holy smokes.
Oh, wow. What is that?
Oh, I don't know.
I think it's a cash register.
Yeah. And these new batteries.
I don't think so.
Yeah, it does.
Why don't you go stand right here? Awesome.
It doesn't make any sound.
Speaking of it.
Hello, hello.
Awesome. Oh, wait, this is it. Try it.
Hello.
See?
Yeah, hello.
See?
It's even like a cell phone.
It's a scanner and everything. So cool.
And there's a key in here. What are
Look,
these?
it's stuff that you can scan. Awesome.
Hello.
All right.
Hello. Look too. Thank you, Casey and Alyssa.
There you go. Wasn't that nice of them?
Yeah.